girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. If you are here for the first time, feel free to watch this channel here, see what's up, and feel free to subscribe here to this channel. Many new great songs coming out here, and you also have the possibility to wish for songs here and leave a comment. So yeah, anyway, and if you are an old Gordon Guitar supporter, thank you for coming back here. And we have BoyWithUke here, and the song is called Trauma. So a nice song. This is a boy with a guitar instead. We'll try to make it as close as possible when it comes to the sound here. And for doing that, we need to set our capo high up here on the 7th fret. All right. So capo on 7th, and with that we have 4 chords that goes in the same way through the entire song, round and round. So let's look at the chords. We have first the G. So that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Next is D. So that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. We have the B minor, and that is pretty much all we got room for before we hit the body here on my guitar, for instance. But yeah, in many guitars, since I don't have this cutaway, so this is really up here. All right, so you place a bar here on the 2nd fret, and you bar all strings except from the last T here in the bass. So 5 strings from bottom and up like this on the 2nd fret. And then the rest needs to be 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. Okay, so that's the B minor, and the final chord is a version here. What you do, you just place a bar from the D string and down. All right, so that means on the 2nd fret here, 4 strings E, B, G, and D. Place a bar like that. And you also incorporate the open A when you strum there. So open A, and then 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and 2nd E. Done with a bar like this. Very easy. All right. So there you have the chords and the order coming: G, D, B minor, and the A. All right. So now we need to take a look at the strumming, and this is a little bit of the challenging part. Not that hard by any means, but anyway, the chords are so easy. So this one is what you need to look at. So it's pretty much, it's a long one, but it's pretty much done 2 times, so with a slight difference there. So the first half of it will be, if you take the G chord now, since that is the first chord, will be down, down, up, down, up. Okay, so we focus on that part first. And what you do here with the first 2 downs, you're gonna play the first down on the bass strings, like that. And then everything else more down on the mid top strings down here, all right? So the first down is on bass. Then comes the 2nd down. You answer with the top strings down here, the higher notes. And then comes up, down, up. Okay, so that's the first half. Down, down, up, down, up. Okay, so that is the first part, and then you repeat it again. So you play the down, down, but then you're gonna play up, up, down, up. So that will be, and then comes up, down, up, the first part, and then the second part will be, okay? So the first part was down, down, up, and then second part, down, down, then comes up, down, up. So you just add an extra up there, so it will be up, down, up on the second round. So together, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. So that is how you make the strumming, and you're gonna play one strumming round per chord. So and so on. So you speed up that a little bit, and there you have Boy With Uke's Trauma. So give it a try, guys. Nice to play a ukulele-like song. And yeah, till next time, play tuned.